दोस्तों वेलकम टू देसी रोवर्स चैनल। आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं एरोहेड प्रोविंशियल पार्क। ये हम जर्नी शुरू करेंगे ब्रैम्पटन, लेंगे 400 नॉर्थ हाईवे, फिर बैरी होते हुए ग्रेवेनहर्स्ट, ब्रेसब्रिज, हंट्सविल होते हुए हम पहुंचेंगे एरोहेड नेशनल पार्क। हम ऑलरेडी काफ़ी आगे पहुंच चुके हैं इस टाइम पे और नज़ारे देखने लायक हैं। हमने सोचा नहीं था कि मार्च एंड में हमें ऐसी बर्फ़ मिलेगी। हमें लगा था कि काफ़ी सूखा होने वाला है वहाँ जाके, बट जो आप नज़ारे देख रहे हो इस टाइम पे वो अलग ही मज़ा आ रहा है इस वाले जर्नी में। करीबन 3 से 4 घंटे लगते हैं ब्रैम्पटन से प्रोविंशियल पार्क, एरोहेड प्रोविंशियल पार्क पहुँचने में। निधि ने वहाँ पे एक रस्टिक कैबिन बुक करा रखा है जिसके अंदर हीटिंग होगी, किचन नहीं होगी। बट हमारा पूरा इरादा है कि इस बार हम कुकिंग सारी बाहर करेंगे अपने फायर पिट में, जो हमारे कैबिन के बाहर होगा। और उसके लिए हमारे पास सारे अपने अस्त्र शस्त्र सब कुछ हमारे साथ है और सारा खाना हमारे साथ है। जो हमें बनाना है, सारे रॉ मटेरियल हमारे पास है। तो आप भी इस रूट का मज़ा लीजिए और फिर बात करते हैं। So now we are at Arrowhead Park. It is 10 minutes from Huntsville. Arav, are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you do?
Play, then I'm gonna
Watch. Nothing to watch here. Watch and enjoy the park. Yeah, you want to speak something?
No, I'm good. Daddy, I know how to make cardboard now.
Okay.
Look. You see?
Let's go inside.
Is this our cabin?
गाइस, हमने इस विजिटर सेंटर से अपने कैबिन की चाबी ले ली है। 5 बजे के बाद शाम को ये बंद हो जाता है, तो अगर आप उसके बाद आते हैं इस पार्क में तो अपने कैबिन की चाबी आपको अगले दिन मिलेगी। उसके अलावा कैबिन खुले रहते हैं, तो अगर आपकी बुकिंग है तो आपको यहाँ पे आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप स्ट्रेट अपने कैबिन में जा सकते हैं। आप विजिटर सेंटर से चाय कॉफ़ी ले सकते हैं, कैंपिंग का सामान ले सकते हैं और फायरवुड भी यहाँ पे मिल जाती है। तो काफ़ी सारी सुविधाएं आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाती हैं। तो दोस्तों, गाड़ी डायरेक्ट कैबिन तक नहीं जा सकती है। थोड़ा 100 मीटर पहले ही हमें गाड़ी पार्क करनी पड़ी है कैबिन एरिया में, पार्किंग में। और यहाँ से ये टोबैगन मिल जाते हैं जिसमें आप अपना सारा सामान लोड करिए और अपने कैबिन तक आपको लेके जाना है। हमारी 2 दिन की कैंपिंग है, लेकिन आपको दिख ही रहा होगा कि निधि ने इतना सामान यहाँ पे भर लिया है कि 2-3 टोबैगन भी कम है। हमें चौथा और टोबैगन और अभी मेरे को वापस से लेके आना पड़ेगा। और उधर आरव भी हेल्प करने में लगा हुआ है। This is nice. Here is a fire pit. Very nice. And we also have barbecue over here. And this cabin is I guess propane.
Daddy,
Yes.
Daddy, can I let me stay with me?
Yes. We need to get all our stuff inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. we just like open to this. So we are going to check the washrooms here. I think they
So
have,
not to
they have washing station where you can wash the dish,
do
and they have toilets and pretty clean, and they have shower too. Okay, let's check how is that.
for me.
This is dishwashing station. Wow. And warm. It's quite warm. And there's a shower. Let's check the showers. And there is a source for potable water. There's another washroom.
For men and girls, men and women,
Oh yeah,
men
at
and
least
women,
5
men and
washroom
women.
and an accessible shower. Let's check this one. Okay, it's also heated. Let's check. Very nice.
So there's a bunch.
Let's go. Let's check the washroom. It is pretty clean. तो गाइस हमने अपने फायर पिट की आग जला ली है और अब आप देख रहे होंगे काफ़ी थक गए थे हम आने के बाद, तो मैं वीडियो शूट नहीं कर पाया, लेकिन अब सीधे खाना चिकन मैं लेके आया था मैरिनेटेड, वो हमने लगा दिया है। साथ में उसके अलावा कुछ वेजीज हम रखेंगे और आज यही हमारा डिनर होगा। और तैयारी पूरी हो चुकी है, टेबल पूरी सज चुकी है और मौसम बहुत अच्छा है इस टाइम पे, ऊपर से हल्की हल्की फ्लरीज गिर रही हैं। तो
लोग ना कॉटेज में आते हैं 1.5 वीक के लिए। कैबिन्स में नहीं आते।
कैबिन्स में भी आ सकते हैं, मतलब देखो इतना सही है, फायर पिट वगैरह है और बस एक किचन ही नहीं है, सेमी किचन तो है ही।
ये एक्चुअली स्पेस थोड़ा कम है फैमिली के साथ। कॉटेज में आपको किचन का एरिया ज़्यादा होता है ना, तो इजी होता है मैनेज करना।
और वो ये छोटी फैमिली हो तो आराम से, ये बढ़िया है, चिकन सही है। यार मस्त आ गया, so nice. So guys, we came here to Arrowhead Park at around. One more important thing about winter camping or winter cabin is that it's quite secluded. I don't think we have 4 or 5 cabins around us, but I think we are the only ones right now in the cabin, and it's a sheer luck that we get the snow, snow around us in April. So really lucky for that. Right now I'm cooking some chicken. Let's see how it cooked. Looking nice. Yeah, nice and juicy. And here is Arav coming. Hey Arav, come. You wanna eat cinnamon rolls? Okay. He's all packed up. Sit on this chair.
Which chair you wanna sit? This one?
That looks
तो अब हम बना रहे हैं cinnamon rolls. So I got a cinnamon roll pack. It has 8 pieces. All you have to do is just take it out and put it on the fire and make sure there is some distance. So if you can see that it converted into coal, this wood, so it is on perfect distance. So if you wanted to check how much 350 Fahrenheit or something, just put your hand on the fire and see if you can hold it for 1, 2, 3. So that's where you have like 350 Fahrenheit. and that's a perfect. It's a little bit lower than that, but that's fine. I think we'll just turn it around and should be fine. Arav, you loved it? You loved the cinnamon rolls? You want more?
How many? One.
Only one?
Yeah, चले जाना.
Yeah.
ताकि इनका समाप्त कर देना.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the cinnamon roll.
Very nice. Ooh. Yummy. So guys, अब breakfast की तैयारी हो रही है. Let's make some breakfast from Arrowhead National Park, and we just took shower, and now we are ready to make some breakfast. We are planning to make a pancake with eggs and some beans. So we are planning to have the fire pit going, and on the stove today we are going to make some food on the stove, not on the fire pit like last night. And let's start on it. Okay guys, we are all ready to make our breakfast. I started the campfire with a little bit, and Nidhi is making pancake today for Arav. And we'll make some asparagus, we'll make omelette, and with some bread, and we'll enjoy the fire camp in the morning, on this beautiful morning. Then we have planned to go to Arrowhead Arrowhead Lake. I think it's 4 or 5 kilometers loop for the trail, and we are planning to go by there by 11 or 12. And on the way back, we'll get some more firewood to make our lunch. The same way we made our dinner and now breakfast. So that's the plan for today.
कैसे चलेगी?
Isko, yeah. Now,
लाइटर चाहिए.
yeah, we need a lighter here.
Really?
You can't see the flame, but yeah, it's there.
ये हटाना चाहिए.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा shift कर देना नीचे मेरे को.
And here goes the pancake batter. I'm using outbound this camping gas. It's pretty useful. You just need a connection to a small cylinder and you can get started on it. In the meantime, let's put some more firewood here. So guys, we are starting with asparagus. This is the first time we are cooking in this cast iron skillet. Let's see how it goes. I'm sure it should be good. We already prepared some food. We have tea going on here. See.
मेरी मुंह तक निकालनी तो चाय बन गई.
Here we have poha, and here I have prepared for omelette. I have prepared this mix, And now asparagus is going on.
You have the tongue, right?
Yeah, here.
अब इससे हो गया एस्पारेगस ढंग से ना,
Yeah.
उस दिन ढंग से हो नहीं थी। अभी मुझे पता है ना, दिन में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है कुकिंग करना,
Yeah.
क्योंकि you can see the cooking level
Yeah.
and you can also do some, you try.
No, it's good weather with the snowfall.
रात में आराम से करके 9, साढ़े 9, 8, साढ़े 8 तक अंदर आराम से आरती तक बैठ सकते हैं।
Okay.
We start at 5.
I think it's boiled now.
दूध डाल देते हैं। दूध वाली चाहिए, दूध वाली। हवा चलेगी। क्या?
So guys, we have our breakfast ready. Beans, asparagus, poha, omelette and chai. On fireside breakfast. So Arav, now we are going to
Trail.
Big Band. What is that name? Big Band Lookout.
Yeah, big bad lookout.
Big Band Lookout.
Take binoculars.
Okay, let's get started.
Lollipop! Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, lollipop. Lolly, lollipop, lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop.
Not many people today. I think it's. I know. That's what I was telling you, right? Ki it is here. But
That's
there
what
is a
they
trail.
say. How can
to
you
reach
That's
here.
what I was saying.
So here, guys, this is famous Big Band of Arrowhead Park. Wow. Beautiful. It's pretty.
That is very risky, right? It's too deep.
वो तो जाके ही पता चलेगा.
नहीं, deep in the sense कि ये काफी है। Slime बहुत है। Slip किए तो सीधे पानी में धप जाओगे।
Yep. Then
वो
how
बना
will
कैसे होगा यार? नहीं?
this is, I think there is some history here. So Big Band Lookout has been eroding 1 foot every year. By enjoying the view from this platform, you are protecting Big Band from an accelerated rate of erosion. The erosion on the side. See the fallen trees? It's like on here. If you see here, it's all, they are cut off
They're not.
slowly. This is getting eroded. So right now we are in E2 parking, and now we are heading towards the Stubbs Fall. Let's see.
Snowshoe track.
It's a snowshoe track.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
So
go.
you usually need snowshoes, but they're not like your usual boots. They're like those big boots.
Yeah, there is a lake. Oh yeah, I don't know.
Granola bars
Where is the granola bar?
in my gloves.
What it is doing in your gloves?
Warming it.
Are you making a marshmallow?
No.
Like graham cracker? Okay.
But But you know about this trail also has known as Stubbs Fall.
Stubbs Falls.
Stubbs Track.
Stubbs track.
Yeah, because
Subtract.
Stubbs Track. Stubbs.
Yeah.
Stubbs Track.
Yeah. It is very easy.
Stubbs Track.
You just have to walk. Yeah. You just have to walk
Stubbs
on a big
Track.
shoes.
Subtract.
Subtract. Oh, it's snowing again. Ara, what you're having?
Granola bar.
Granola bar.
Hold my hand.
ये वो picture वाला, just like movies fall, right? It's a lazy river till that point, and after that it's a fall, big fall.
This is a really big bad thing. It's like so deep. Is it deep here? This is a wooden but it can break easily.
See, it's a lazy river here.
यहाँ तक नहीं आता कनू
Yeah.
ना ध्यान दे तो बंदा नीचे
Daddy, come.
You can canoe till this point, but you have to be careful that what after this. From here you can see.
wait Ara wait
It's a picture time.
Yeah.
So guys, now we are at Arrowhead Lake. We are going to Arrowhead to view Arrowhead Lake. I put Ara into the car. He was feeling cold and he was tired after visiting that Stubb Falls trail. It's around 2 kilometers long. So I think for kids it's okay. So me and Nidhi now are going to the lake, and let's see. Looks amazing. I think this is the biggest lake in Arrowhead, and I can still see some ice on the shore. Now look at this view, guys. Amazing. Yeah. It's a beach in summer, and it's beach still. It's a beach, but just we cannot go inside right now. And this stream is directly going into, I think, Stubbs Falls, right?
Guys.
Hi guys, now we are making some chicken. We cooked some tikkis like aloo patty and soya chop.
Yeah.
And this is chicken. So I marinated with some lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Yeah. Oregano. Yaro, your favorite. You're not for Italiano. Yeah. Italiano, salt and some pepper, and just put some oil and put it on the grill, and some asparagus. It's our favorite. No? Okay. And it's cooking really pretty well.
And I got fish.
He or he? She.
She.
Okay.
She has a sister and she is also a drone most of the time.
Yeah, let's turn it.
The first time she was transformed into a
Look at
drone,
this, guys.
that time
This is really awesome.
when this Twitch got a transformation, she found a drone in silver. Then, but her color is red and silver and yellow. And
अच्छा और अच्छे से
a boy had the control of him. The drone, and then she got this, and the boy's sister was Arsenal and they.
तो थोड़ा सा आरा खाएगा और ये चिकन सब्जी बना लो यहाँ छोटे पीसेस
नहीं और भी है उसके लिए सब्जी के लिए No beta, no watch. Just enjoy this.
I want to go back in.
ओके गो बट नो वाचिंग but do your coloring.
See the color, guys. It's cooking really well. So I just marinated myself. It's raining too. What a bummer.
I quit.
Are you going inside with a बारिश होगी? Go. Hi. There was no prediction for today. Zero precipitation, right?
So guys, we are now making a tea.
I think the दूध काफी है ना?
Yeah.
Milk हो जाएगी बहुत. I wanna drink chai.
Yeah, make it.
दिन में थोड़ा सा.
We have some chicken going on. This is Bihari tikka. Here we have see guys, absolutely beautiful. This is the first time we are using all these things, camping equipment, all utensils, and it's going great. So now guys, I'm making chicken curry. I got many things. So guys, I'm now making a chicken curry. I'm cutting some onions, some chilies, and I got this tikka Delhi murg makhani, garlic, some chili, red chili, olive oil, and this new cast iron pan. I'm going to cook it here. Chicken is almost ready. So what I did is I'm not cooking it with so I'm not frying it. I am going to cook the chicken like this in a barbecue, so it's like a barbecue chicken curry. Now I think it should be, it is, looks like it's almost done. Just keep it aside. Yeah, you know, I'm going to cut some onions and then I will let you know. I have this cast iron pan, garlic. Yeah. Olive oil is here.
You bring namak?
नहीं. spicy butter chicken cooking sauce.
मेक
This is
श्योर
completely
तुम ओके तो वेजिटेरियन रखना है इसमें ना, प्यूरी के अंदर नो टचिंग विद चिकन।
Can you put this? Can you show? So guys, rajma and chicken both are ready. Wow. Is that good?
बैठने में थोड़ा सा आराम है, क्या बात है, राजमा चिकन रेडी।
Yeah. So guys, chicken is ready. This is the first time we are cooking this, and that too in the so much rain.
बहुत सारा है तो तुम कल भी खा लोगे,
Huh?
तो तुम कल भी खा लोगे।
Yeah.
ये बनाते हैं इसको वे तब तक आग जल रही है कि खाने के टाइम पे तो ऐसे ही खा के खत्म कर देंगे नहीं।
Yeah.
कॉलेज तो होंगे आई थिंक, बहुत होपफुल की कॉलेज हो जा रही है कि बारिश हो रही है।
Daddy,
Yeah.
do you know the head?
No.
Fold.
जीरो प्रेसिपिटेशन पे ये ऐसे बारिश कहाँ होती है?
So do you know this head? The head?
No.
You make it look at the sky, okay?
Hmm.
Then pull this back up so you can see. These are the two things I have done. These needs to be. Put your hands on the bottom. Fold
लगा लेना चाहिए।
this.
Hmm.
This thing it would be a little tricky.
Next time we'll get a tarp.
This part, this leg,
ज़्यादा बारिश
which is
I
right
will
here,
order it.
is
No,
a
you already
foldable and roundable one. You can do it any way you like.
Even more
You
than
put it here. This
And
is
two
a drone.
poles here.
Yeah. So
This is the drone. This is the drone I found. You can make.
Hmm.
There is swords on the back. The hands fold up to stabilizers. This part is a part you first take this part off. Then you put
Nice, Arav. Wow. This is super cool.
So
Now it will take you off.
no.
So Arav got rajma chawal. Nidhi got rajma. Yeah, I can try. We got roti
And
cooked on that same barbecue.
and
And here the chicken rajma
and Twix.
and Twitch.
And we also
Nice.
Then we also got rice here
And also Rajma.
and Instapot.
That's so funny, you guys.
Yeah.
That's not cool. Not cool. This is not.
तो गाइस अब हमारा डिनर का टाइम हो गया है। हम लोग डिनर करने अंदर आ चुके हैं। बाहर काफ़ी सर्दी हो गई थी। ये हमारी लास्ट नाइट है। अब आप देख सकते हैं अभी तो पूरा रूम बिखरा पड़ा है। निधि अभी आरव को खाना खिलाने का पूरा ट्राई कर रही है और मुझे भी देख रही है घूर के बट काफ़ी अच्छा कैबिन है। अंदर ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे फ्रिज है और हमने पूरा भी भरा हुआ है और उसके अलावा भी जैसे ऊपर माइक्रोवेव रखा हुआ है। हम इंस्टापॉट भी ले आए थे चावल बनाने के लिए और बेड दे रखे हैं, बंक बेड दे रखे हैं और यहाँ पे आप देखिए फायरप्लेस को रेगुलेट कर सकते हैं। जल्दी ही मिलेंगे एक नए एपिसोड के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।